This video is going to be going over possessive nouns. Possessive nouns use an apostrophe to show what belongs. And remember, the word possessive means literally to own something, to possess it. And so we show ownership simply by an apostrophe or a comma in the sky, as some of you call it, but the proper word is apostrophe. Now, there are two different kinds. There are possessive nouns, a noun that is singular, meaning there's just one noun. So, swing, ball, football, there's just one of them. The plural is more than one. Cats, dogs, swings. So we naturally add that S at the end to show plural. Now our job in this video is how do we show that that dog owns something, that that cat owns something, or that child owns it. That's what we're going to be going over, how and where you put the apostrophe. The first one we're going to look at is the dog's house. In a singular noun, meaning there's just one dog, you just put apostrophe S. But in a plural noun, meaning that there's more than one dog, that there's dogs out in the yard, and they all own the house, you put it after the S. So before the S for one dog, after the S for multiple. And that's the general rule. Apostrophe after the S for multiple, before the S for one. Here's another example. Books, words. Books, words. Here we can see, just from where the apostrophe S is, that there is one book, and that book owns the words. Over here, we can see that there's more than one book, because it has the apostrophe S, and those books together own the words. So if you haven't already, go ahead and pause the video right now and take down all these notes. Here's another example. The girl's chickens. The girl is singular, just one girl, and she owns the chickens. They're her chickens. Plural, there's tons of girls and they own the chickens, or at least two. And so we put the apostrophe after the S. The lady's computer, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because for ladies, to make it plural, we change the ending. So a lady's computer is just one, L-A-D-Y, apostrophe S follows the same rule, but then we come over here and we are changing to show that it is more than one. So it's kind of like, I think I have it down here, yeah. Man is one, men's is the other. We know that they mean the same thing. We just change it when it comes to plural. So ladies, but it still follows the rule. You put the apostrophe after the S. But children's and men's don't follow that rule. What that is it's acting like it's a singular noun. So we have child, and what's the plural of child? Children. And because the children is plural and it already doesn't have the S, we need to add one. Because if we were to take off that, hey girls, come here, we know that it meant more than one. It's the same thing with children. Children's computer. Man's computer, men's computer. It's at least two or more men owning the computer. Two or more children owning the video game. Once you look through these notes and you kind of study them, it'll start ringing bells and it'll start making sense. So go ahead, watch any parts that you need to. Make sure you have all these complete notes finished, and go on to the next assignment.